world's a stage, and most of us are desperately unrehearsed. Hello there, I'm Shovini, final year student presently pursuing economics honors in this prestigious college. During this toughest period, I chose my passion as my best companion. And so here's some of them.
Hi, this is Aniket Anand, third year BSc Economics Honors, Scottish Church College, Kolkata. Today I'm going to talk about my experience of the 2020 lockdown period. The year was filled with a lot of uncertainties and bad news for all of us. But I, however, got a chance to escape my daily routine and venture into the subjects of my interest. I took part in the 15th August NCC Guard of Honor parade at St. Xavier's College representing my battalion. I also took part in the Best Cadet competition at St. Xavier's College and came second in my company, and I also participated in the virtual yoga day organized by the same. I got a chance to work with a defense coaching institute at Hyderabad in order to organize a national level talent test and did some voluntary work for an NGO called Blood Connect as well. I have always been a sports and fitness enthusiast, and this lockdown gave me a lot of opportunities to work on my fitness goals. I participated in a lot of virtual learning events throughout the year and also developed a keen interest in cycling as well.
Hello everyone, this is Anurna Chattopadhyay from the Department of Economics, third year. I hope all of you are doing well. I wish you a very happy new year. Here's a glimpse of all my activities during lockdown. I present to you my paintings, which include hyper-realistic drawings as well. And I sing as well, so here's a song for you. I hope all of you enjoy it. I hope all of you have a good time ahead of you. I wish that you have a better year, a better 2021. I wish it for all of us. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, my name is Keshav Agarwal and I'm a third year student of BSc Economics Honors Scottish Church College. COVID was a new thing for all of us. It was a challenge, but it did contain ample opportunities as well. Me as a student, I always wanted a window of 4-5 months where we don't have to go to college for attendance or studies and don't have to worry about our academics, and like spend their life recklessly, like not worrying about anything, be very chill, relaxed, basically wasting time, you can say. So for the initial few weeks I used to do that. I used to sleep a lot and binge watch movies, series and all those stuffs. But after some time I realized that I should do something productive, obviously not studies but something else. So I decided to do something which I always wanted to, like I wanted to try my hands on that thing. It was a comedy. So I started making comedy videos. It was the typical stand-up comedy video which we see on YouTube, but it was technically a sit-down comedy video because I was sitting down while making it, because I don't have the set for a proper stand-up comedy video, right? So it was a very good experience. I used to upload those videos on YouTube. I got good response from people, lot of comments, lot of views, likes and all those stuffs. So, and that helped me a lot because that helped me improve my speaking skills, that built confidence in me. So it was a good experience. Apart from that, I joined two NGOs, namely Blood Connect and Responsible Charity. So Blood Connect is an NGO which is working to eradicate the shortage of blood in India. So with them also I had a very good experience helping people who are in like very instant need of blood. Like suppose if someone's acquaintance is admitted in hospital and they can't arrange the blood by themselves, so we help them arrange that, and that service works 24/7. So that was a good experience, and they set up camps as well for blood donations. Apart from that, the second NGO, its name is Responsible Charity. So they choose some students from slums, like kids of 5-6 years of age, and they sponsor their education till the time of their graduation. So I work as a teacher or mentor there, where I guide students regarding the career path and all those stuffs, and obviously I give them tuitions. And it's very important because they are directly being admitted to English medium schools, so they need to match up to that level. So it's a challenge for all of us, the mentors there, but it was a really good experience. And we have monthly parents teacher meet there, where we the interns go to the students' house, interact with their parents and talk about their like studies of the student and all other stuffs. So it was also a good experience because I got to understand the problems they face. Apart from this, I did 2 internships related to marketing. That was also a good experience because I got the opportunity to interact with different people from different domains, and it felt very good when I was able to convert the leads. So yeah, that was basically how I spent my lockdown time in. Okay, bye.
Hi everybody, I'm Devjyoti Das and I'm a final year student from the Department of Economics, Scottish Church College. Last year has been pretty tough for everybody because of the entire COVID-19 situation, and I just hope people did not lose their morale during the entire pandemic and they were productive. I was also kind of productive. I learned a lot of new things and focused on the important ones. I had my family and friends to get me through it. Anyway, it's 2021, it's a new year, and we should look forward to better endeavors in our lives. And I hope everybody reaches greater heights in whatever they're doing. All the best, everybody, and stay healthy and stay happy. Thank you.
And many more. Our department arranged for a webinar where Professor Shamprit Chakraborty from ICFAI Business School discussed on data-driven decision making. Also, we had a students' webinar on post-COVID economics and challenges ahead. These webinars helped us to acquire knowledge about the society in a broader way.